I got Lonnie down there in the cabinet trying to find me some darn black beans. And no, my thing ain't dirty, y'all. It's stained. So they be talking about me. Hold that. Oops. I'm gonna drop it in the meat, please. I'm browning my meat now, y'all. I'm about to cook chili. I was gonna show you when I first started, but I'm like, they ain't gonna be interested in the video, but maybe 100 people will. So I had the little long packs with like 3 portions in it. So I don't know how many pounds that was. But normally I'll go ahead and I'll season it while it's all red, but I just thought about it. And I'm just about to use the last little bit of this adobo, but you can season it with whatever you want to season it with. So when people show you videos and they be like, oh, you need this, you need that, you can season your food with whatever you want to season it with. It's just the moral of you need to pay attention to how to cook it, how long to cook it, how to brown it, or you know what to add in it in specific items. Chili, of course, you need ground beef, and if you eat meat, and chili beans, kidney beans. I put chili beans, kidney beans, and black beans in mine. You can put whatever type of beans you want in yours. Hell, if you want green beans in them, put some green beans in them. You can see my what?
I said it looks yummy.
Oh.
What?
I don't know. I heard something else, girl. Okay,
good.
so while that's browning, let me show y'all the beans. Lonnie, why you got corn up here?
Huh?
You got corn
Oh.
up here.
That corn that you got for 5 off 25, something like that?
She's talking about that corn that you got for the 5 off 25 or something like that. So I got chili beans so far, kidney beans, and I got her looking for some black beans. Got 2 little spots where a whole bunch of cans are, so I'm gonna have her look for the rest of my beans, and I'll be back. And of course, everything is going in this big girl right here. Okay, so I guess this is something new we're getting. I was looking for my chili sauce or my chili pepper, but he went and got this little kit. And I guess I'm assuming I'm gonna have to add this into my meat, or I probably could do it when I dump everything in the pot. I don't know. But I will read the box. Girl, you lucky that one of them cans falling on your head while you still down there.
I would have.
Dang, it's a lot of stuff in here, and it's steady falling on you, Lonnie. Let me see.
Is this rice?
2 pounds ground or cube beef. Ain't fat. Add the following stir. Yes. Okay, I got my sauce, my tomato sauce. Well, it's like spaghetti sauce. Got like the Prego. A little red pepper, masa flour. Red pepper and masa. Wait a minute now. Okay, so we're gonna make it medium, y'all. Medium. So we're gonna dump half the pack of the red pepper, and it does have them labeled. Yeah, that says red pepper on there. But first, I'm gonna put my sauce in, which I got some leftover Prego sauce from yesterday when I did lasagna, and I did it so wrong. We're not gonna talk about that. I hadn't layered. Well, yeah, we're gonna talk about it. I layered all of my lasagna, me and Lonnie, with the ricotta cheese, the noodles, the meat, the shredded cheese, and went to top it off. And remember, we put no sauce, so we had to mess it up. It was so ugly. Lift up the noodles and pour the sauce in between, but it still was not enough sauce, y'all. Like, I messed that up. So this we have to add water to. 2 cups of water. I don't really measure a lot of stuff. I just do it however I do it. This little whole thing like to go in here because this meat is dry. And I could put the water in here. However much you think 2 cups is, about half of this. We'll put the water in here and shake it up. This how I do with my spaghetti too. I don't leave anything. Put the water in there. Shake it up. Now I got all the little sauce. I don't look like V8. Lonnie, why you out to vomit?
Because.
Oh, you're going to eat it. It's just like if you were putting water on top. So why not put the water inside the sauce to get every drop of your sauce?
Butter on every drop. You didn't get every drop though.
Okay. Carefully stir this so you're not splattering sauce all over your stove. If you don't stir it good in the pan, that's fine because you're about to dump it in the pot anyway with the beans. Okay, the red pepper is however hot you want it. Cut that open, and I got kids eating this, so I'm probably not even going to dump half. Yeah, I'll do a taste test, and if I want more, I'll add more, but we never really make like hot chili pepper. And then they said something about the masa flour, and it says masa right there on the label. So I have to dump this whole thing in. That's probably, of course, to thicken it. Ooh. I'm gonna be like Rachel Ray. You know, she say everything good. She like yummy and tasting everything. I'm like, girl, you ain't find no problem in nothing you cooking. Not even like, ooh, you need to add something. Let me leave Rachel alone. I used to be like, what's his name? The one that do the bam. My mom used to watch him. He get the seasoning, he'd be like, bam, and then everything just magically is good again. I dropped the other box, so 2 pounds strained fat, 1 to 8 ounces can of tomato sauce, cups of water, package label, red pepper and mustard. Okay, cover and simmer for 30 minutes until meat is tender. A thicker chili, stir massive fire into. Okay, I don't need to read the rest of this because I'm gonna do my chili how I do it. This was a new box. This is something I never got, and I don't even know what masa is, masa flour, or mesa. So I just read the directions for this. But normally I just fry my meat, put my chili powder in there, put my spaghetti sauce in there, and add my own seasoning and all my beans. That's how I do it. But I had to read the directions for this one because this was a new packet. Well, this was a packet. I normally don't use packets. I put my own stuff in there. But we're going to open all these beans and put them in the pot, and I'll be back. Okay, we're going to put the last few in here. The cumin, oregano, and Alani's going to put the chili pepper, which I would have had in a little like seasoning thingy. And they also have onion and garlic. We're going to just dump everything in here that's in this little box. And the paprika. Okay, y'all, this old school. I ain't got no can opener. Don't pick at me. I had one and it broke. But this is how I remember my mom opening cans. And yes, I gotta sit here and open all these cans like that. Darn! And Lonnie's dumping the chili beans. Man, I'm so mad I don't have any black beans. We looked and looked, guys. I could have sworn, because I always keep black beans. So I think when we first moved, we were cooking black beans like with everything. So, yeah. Because I always do chili beans, kidney beans, and black beans. Okay, hold this so they can watch me open my last one. Let me put her cereal over there. I don't know why that's here.
You open it in a very fascinating way.
Fascinating.
Yes.
I could do it evenly, but right now I don't care. And I prefer to do it evenly so they can all come out faster. But right now I ain't got time and it really don't matter. Okay, y'all, my phone is tripping, so I'm just gonna hurry up and show y'all. It's so simple. You do it. Ooh, everything I already showed you. I hope it don't splatter on the camera. Then you just dump everything in the pot with the beans. Sound like Sloppy Joe, and so ironic. I hated Sloppy Joe in school, like with bread. And that's it. I preferred more beans, but I don't have them, so I'm working with what I gotta work with. Now I eat one of these corn dogs in the meantime. And yes, we put our corn dogs right on the rack. I do, because I like them crispy. Like they're from the fair. See the little line in it? No aluminum foil, no nothing. And of course, clean it off later. I don't really like, I don't eat hot dogs, but if I do, I'll eat it in a corn dog, like if that makes sense. So that's all with the chili, guys. Put the lid on it, Lonnie. And take the spoon out. That's the lid. That's another pot over there, girl. Alrighty. Hold on, y'all. Alright, so I have my bowl ready. And guess what? My man's went and got the black beans, so now I have the black beans added. I just put 2 cans in since I had 2 cans of each. You want to hold this for me, please? So I won't drip it all over the stove. They're in there reading little homemade flashcards that I just made for Soleil and Sarai. They're going to be on the toilet tonight. So let me show y'all the crackers real quick. These are the minis that I just like eating plain out the box like they're chips. Once I got a hold of these, that's it. They need to let me endorse them. You can open the pack. So I'm going to just sit them in here and show them. And the chili is done. And this is one of my penny bowls, by the way, y'all. If y'all did not know this. All these small spoons in here. Here's a big one. Can you rinse that spoon off, please? Oh, I should have had you open these first, because I can't do it with one hand. And voila! You can put them all pretty or just crunch them up and throw them in there. That's how I do with my soups and sometimes with my chili too. Just put my saltine crackers in there and I'm done. That's it, y'all. That was easy, right? All right, toodles!